Hi friends, welcome to Bafna Cars. Today we have a Mahindra Thar with us, which had come for the complete modification. To start with the audio, we have done a VOCE component speakers for the front and the back. We have used Audison APBX and active subwoofer. We have powered these speakers with the Audison SR 4.500 4-channel amplifier. We have used bit-10 processor to tune the complete setup. To get the best output, we have used all connection audio cables. We have used all the RCS from connection audio. We have used the high-res damping for the complete floor and all the 3 doors. Along with the audio setup, we have taken care of the entire paint protection of the vehicle by adding on Garware paint protection film for the complete car. We have also installed some wonderful seat covers from a brand called Top Gear, which is a soft leather. It's really beautiful. It gives you a very beautiful feel when you sit on this. We have also used the mats from the same company, so it matches with the seat covers very well. So hope you like the complete installation. We would appreciate to know your views. Please share your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next.